Look who it is. That's right, the cat. Anyways, I want to show you something here. Come on, hurry up. Yeah, look at that.
High school students and adults are on board this bus. You can see it's upside down. We have a live image there from the chopper there in Atlanta. And we know that there are injuries, but we do not know how
No shit.
or how severe
Really?
they are. We are now being told that this bus crashed and then flipped over, landing on top yet another vehicle.
You hear that?
It was on the way to the airport.
People would know to actually how to drive, and this shit wouldn't have happened.
And we are working to learn more details. As you can see, all of those responders,
Unbelievable.
fire department, and other agencies, as the traffic is at a halt there in Atlanta, will give you more details.
Wow.
Involving
Just wow.
now.
Anyways, figured I'd share that with you. It's the sun right there too. Pointing out the obvious. Oh shit. Look at that. Weird how it just stops right there. And the right, big girl. Sleepy, aren't ya? You can tell. Look at those eyes. For once, actually, it is quite nice out today. Well, last time I said it was about 79 degrees. Instead of 100, which is a huge difference, obviously. Yeah, look at that. 79 degrees. It's a huge difference, isn't it, big girl? Yeah, she's doing on water. Oh, she's good. Yeah, it changed about 2 hours ago, and I would expect it for it to be still cold. Now it's not like 90 or 100 degrees out here. It's refreshing, isn't it? Man, she's thirsty. Thirsty, won't you, big girl? Angie pays no attention to me whatsoever. What's doing, big girl? Being nosy, aren't ya? Obviously, they're trying to sniff out something. I'm gonna see if I can find the cat. See if he's in the. Damn it. There we go. Then close it hard enough. See if he's in the same place. And almost laying in the yard over there. Just about see him right there. What the hell? Listen to this. Probably the weirdest sounding bird I've ever heard. Kind of rhyme there. Playing somewhere too. Right there. Damn. like it's flying pretty low as well. In my opinion, it looks like they're flying really low. Once again, probably the weirdest sounding bird I've ever heard, and the cat is just rolling around in the yard over there. Once again, you can just about see him there. Rolling around over there. Having fun. Enjoying this nice weather while it still lasts. To be honest, I do not blame him at all. We're nosy right now, seeing what we... Ooh. I know what I'm gonna have later. But not right now, unfortunately, because I'm not hungry at all. Just being nosy, seeing what we have. Some corn dogs there. Hot Pockets. A burrito, hey. Hungry man. Ice cream sandwiches and some normal ice cream there. So, watching the last episode of season 1 on Karen James' new show, Karen Can Wait. Whoa, the hell was that? That's just some serious focus there. Birds. It's the dog, anyways. That's gonna be for today. I'm gonna sit down and watch some more of the show. Well, right now it's on, unfortunately it's on a commercial now. But anyways, I'm gonna end it here, sit down and, like I said, watch some more of the show and relax out here for a while and enjoy the nice weather while it still lasts. The 79-degree weather. Once again, a huge difference from the weather we've been having. Better enjoy while it still lasts. The reason why I say that is because unfortunately it's supposed to get up to 90 degrees this time next week. Unfortunately. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. The breeze is starting to pick up as well.